Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Chase Bank ATM. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. There are a bunch of features of an ATM like withdraw, deposit and transfer money. Withdraw cash. Step 1. Insert your Chase debit card and enter your PIN. And then choose main menu and then get cash. After that, choose the amount of cash you want to receive and then tap get cash to complete your transaction. How you can make a deposit? Insert your Chase debit card and enter your PIN. Choose main menu and then deposit. Choose your deposit type and insert into the machine. Review your deposit amount and tap deposit. And here's how you can transfer your funds. Enter your Chase debit card and enter your PIN. Choose main menu and then more. Choose transfer. After that, choose the account you want to move money to and from. And then type in the account you want to transfer. Tap submit transfer to complete. And that's how you can use Chase Bank ATM. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.